While we often talk about efficient vessel management, today, let's dive into the hub that has been facilitating vessel functions for over 6 decades, the Port of Vancouver. Canada's largest gateway, the colossal port connects over 170 economies worldwide. Founded in 1964, the Port of Vancouver quickly became a cornerstone of Canadian trade. In 2008, it merged with the Fraser River Port Authority, becoming Port Metro Vancouver, one of the busiest and most influential seaports globally. Today, the port boasts over 1,000 tenants and 29 major terminals, handling everything from bulk cargo and containers to automobiles, cruise ships, and more. This bustling hub processes 140 million tons of goods each year, sustaining more than 130,000 jobs across various sectors. The Port of Vancouver contributes $16.3 billion to Canada's GDP annually. The crucial node in the global maritime logistics industry also supports critical industries, from maritime cargo and shipbuilding to tourism and port management. The future is bright for the Port of Vancouver. With its Container Capacity Improvement Program, the port plans to triple its capacity by 2030, ensuring it continues to drive Canada's global trade success. It has also been a voice in support of decarbonization, investing in zero-emissions tech and infra, among other measures.